In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete or remove your ChatGPT search history as of the 2025 update. Whether you're a regular user of ChatGPT or simply concerned about privacy, knowing how to manage your search history is an important step in protecting your data online. So, let's dive right in and walk through each step together. First, we're going to head over to Google. This might seem like an obvious start, but taking this extra step ensures that you're accessing the right platform to begin the process. Once you're there, go ahead and type ChatGPT in the search bar. When you do this, it's likely the official ChatGPT website will appear right at the top of your search results. Click on that link to be directed to the ChatGPT homepage. Now, once you're on the ChatGPT website, direct your attention to the lower left corner of the page. You should see your profile icon or something similar that indicates user settings. Clicking on your profile will bring up a menu with several options. Among these, select the Settings option. This is where you'll be able to manage various aspects of your ChatGPT experience. In the Settings menu, locate the section labeled Data Controls. The placement might vary slightly depending on the version of the site you're using, but it's usually quite prominent. Click on Data Controls, and you'll be presented with a few different options related to the management of your personal data. Now, this is the crucial part. Find the option that says Delete All. Clicking this will prepare the system to erase your search history. But don't worry, ChatGPT won't delete your history right away. There's a final step for confirmation. A prompt should appear asking you to confirm your decision to delete your search history. To wrap things up, go ahead and click on Confirm Deletion. This final confirmation step is there to ensure that you really want to clear your search history. Once you hit that button, your search history will be deleted from ChatGPT's records. Remember, this won't affect your account or other settings, just the historical data related to your searches. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your ChatGPT search history. Remember, regularly managing your search history is a great way to keep your data secure and ensure that your experience remains private. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment so we can tackle it together. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.